IHC to take action over social media campaign against Justice Babar Sadr. Justice Babar Sadr had written a letter to CJ Amar Farooq regarding the negative propaganda. Eyeing $8 billion commitment, Pakistan starts fresh talks with WB. The discussions have not yet finalized the exact policy framework and period of the CPS. UK shuts Shahzad Akhbar acid attack probe after no suspects found. Shahzad Akhbar announced he was taking legal action against the government of Pakistan over the acid attack. Telecom firms oppose FBR's illegal move to block SIMs of non-filers. CMOs seek government intervention to safeguard interest of telecom industry customers. Judge warns Trump of potential jail time for violating gag order. Justice Juan Merchan said the $1,000 fines he had imposed so far did not seem to be deterring Trump. A suspect was arrested on Monday for allegedly attempting to sexually assault a minor girl in the Karanji area. Engro Corp. Dawood Hercules agree to restructuring deal. The plan aims to build financial synergies and enhance returns to shareholders of both companies. IGP Ghulam Nabi Maiman on Monday held a meeting on Sindh Police and NYPD to cooperate for better policing reforms in the investigation department of the Sindh Police, and announced that investigating officers, SHOs, and inspectors would have to solve 25 cases to be promoted to the next post. PM assures blanket support to Saudi investment. PM says government committed to remove all bureaucratic hurdles and red tape in way of foreign investment. Scientists claim to have found another distinct genetic form of Alzheimer's. The variant, known as APO4, has long been known to increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's. Iran hails Pak political will to complete gas project. Iran's diplomat says Tehran, Islamabad looking at ways to complete gas pipeline project amid international pressure. Arbitration court takes up KP-BRT project. The estimated fee for one arbitrator is $320,958, while the cost of 3 arbitrators is $758,086. PTI leader discusses rule of law with U.S. ambassador. U.S. ambassador underscores the need for far-reaching economic reforms, according to American mission.